Yes. What is our stance towards Yazid ibn Mu'awiyah? Yazid is from the Tabi'in. He's not a companion. And it would be unfair to go and indulge in stories and narrations that we were not witness to. And it is totally unacceptable to take sides by saying, no, we are with Yazid and not with Hussein. Al-Hussein, may Allah be pleased with him, definitely, Ibn Ali is one of the masters of the youth of paradise. He's the grandson of the Prophet ﷺ. He is the son of Fatima, the daughter of the Prophet ﷺ. His virtues and attributes are well known to all. However, through history, we believe that Yazid only instructed the army to prevent Al-Hussein, may Allah be pleased with him, from entering Iraq. And the culprits and the evil elements in the army misinterpreted that and went further to attack and execute and kill Al-Hussein. So it was not the doing of Yazid. And Yazid was reported to have cried and honored the family and the companions that were with Al-Hussein, and he escorted them back to Medina, and he did so many things trying to prove and show that he had no ill intent to this great companion. Nevertheless, we don't go to the limit of praising Yazid, as we don't go to the extent of saying that he's a kafir, and that's like the Shia say. No, he's a normal person, had his pros and had his cons, had lots of good things in him as a Khalifa, and also had lots of bad things as a sinful Muslim, and he is to Allah Azza wa Jal to judge. So it would be immature and illogical for us to indulge in judging a person we had never met, and through stories that are not authentic and not well established.